What's up everyone, my name is Shayan, and in today's video I'm going to show you the easiest ever method to remove Season of AI from your GoHighLevel menu. And this way is the easiest ever way, even if you don't know the coding or CSS or whatever. And that's not only the way to remove Season of AI, but you can do a hell lot of things with CSS. So let's straight dive into that and I'll show you how you can do that. So I'm using OBS, and let me minimize my video this much at least so you see me too. So I've had good experience with OBS, let me know yours too. So here we go. We have this GoHighLevel open in one of our agencies. So I run a multiple businesses, VA business, SaaS company. So that's not the point to discuss right now, but we have this Season of AI into our GoHighLevel. Right, so we need to remove this menu on the left hand side and this iframe. So there is one extension called Visual CSS Editor. I'll send you you can search this, and once you install it, you need to open the GoHighLevel and click on this extension, and it will open an editor view of this extension. Once you have that extension open within GoHighLevel, you will see this type of editor view where you see you have an option to edit things. Now you see I can select things. So what you need to do is, let me just open my Visual CSS editor on the other screen so I see it is recording. So we need to click on the Season of AI. Once clicked, we need to go on extra on the right hand side. You see this thing? You have this thing extra, click on that and you see an option of visibility. We go on that and you need to click on the eye option, the line on the eye. You click that and it will remove that option, that menu. Boom, we have removed the Season of AI. Now what we need to do is we need to remove this iframe, this whole thing. So in order to do that, we need to first remove the top thing. We go on extra, do same, click on eye, that's removed. Boom. We click on again on this thing, we need to remove this, go on extra, click visibility check, boom, removed. Now we need to remove this color, select that, go on visibility, boom, we have finally removed it. So this is done in the editor view, right? So it's not exported. So what we need to do now is we need to do this same in GoHighLevel. So you see this option on the right hand side on the top, export option. So you need to click on that. You will get this CSS code for the thing you have edited. So sorry, so I think there was, so once you have copied the code and you need to paste it under your CSS, custom CSS, here we go, you can see we have pasted it, and simply update company, proceed, right? And let's see how it shows under a sub account. So let's go to a sub account, right? Refresh our tab. Let's see how we can see that. And boom, we have finally removed a Season of AI menu from our GoHighLevel. I hope you like this video, and I'm going to make a series of GoHighLevel tutorials, and that's not gonna be basic tutorial videos, it's gonna be very advanced videos for SaaS companies or digital marketing agencies who are running white label of GoHighLevel, as we provide VAs for high level. So our clients value these types of videos. So I hope you liked this video, so stay tuned for more videos. Thank you, bye bye, have a good day.